Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this video, I want to share with you how you can install Google Search Console in your WordPress website. Okay, the reason why you need to have this Search Console account is because once you add your website into this Search Console account, Google will inform you if your website is being injected with malware, virus, or any issues that affecting Google ranking. So it's very important. And the second thing is that once you log in to the Google Search Console, you'll be able to see how many visitors are searching about the keywords and click on Google's result and come to your website. So that's a very important information, I believe, especially if you are running a website for your business. Okay, so I have created a temporary website. This is a WordPress website that I've temporarily created. So assuming you want to add your WordPress website into Google Search Console, so make sure you have your domain name. Okay, so you can copy your domain name and go to Google and type in Search Console. Okay, and you will see the number one result is Google Search Console. You can click on that and you will see a page something like this. And you click this Start Now button and it will automatically log you into Search Console using your Google account. So this is my Google account. Okay. So once you are in your Google account, if you are new to Search Console, you may not see anything here because your account is brand new. So you can just click on the button here and then scroll down to click this Add Property. Okay, so once you see this select property type, there's a domain, there's a URL prefix. So for most of you, you just can select this URL prefix. You can right click, paste. Okay, so this is the URL that I have, and I click continue, and it will start to verify if this website is live. So give it some time to do the verification. Okay, so now you will ask me what type of verification method that I want to use to verify that this website is owned by me. So this is a step that most new WordPress owners don't know what to do. So the easiest verification method actually is this one, Google Analytics. So if possible, you should install Google Analytics before you install this Search Console. It will make it very easy for you by just selecting this option. But for most of you who do not have a Google Analytics yet, I would suggest let's go with the HTML file option. So the step is to download this file. Okay, so I'm going to download this file and then upload to your website and come back here to click verify. So I'm just going to download this file. Okay, click save. So I have the file downloaded. And now I'm going to my website and I'm going to the dashboard of my WordPress. Okay, so you need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. If you do not know how to do this, you can consult your web developer or your web hosting provider. So once you log in to the dashboard, from the dashboard, you won't be able to upload the HTML file yet. So you need to have a plugin. So I'm going to add new. So the plugin we are going to add is called File Manager. So that it allows you to easily upload a file to your WordPress website. So you just click on install now. Okay, so we are going to install this File Manager. Okay, then click activate. So once it has been activated, you can see there's an option called WP File Manager. So you just click on this WP File Manager and you can straight away, you can see that you are already in the root directory of your website. So from here, you can just upload the file. So this one is an upload file. So you click on it and you select file So select the file that just now you download from Google and it will upload it right away. So this means that the file has been uploaded to your WordPress website. So now you go back to your Google Search Console, you can click verify and it will take some time for Google Search Console to verify. So this means that ownership verified. So you can go to property. So from here, you can see that it will take some time to process the data. So if your website already have quite a number of visitors coming from search engine, in another day or two, you'll be start seeing some statistic over here under the performance, under pages, sitemap, etc. Okay, so these are the steps on how you can install Google Search Console for your WordPress website. I hope that you find this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the questions comments area. I'll be happy to answer them. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.